learn about how to convert number into Indian rupees. For example, 5 rupees only, 10 Arab only, something are 10 lakhs only. How to write down in text format? All the numeric value converted in text format by formula. For example, we can go here 234 something. There's a 2,345 rupees only. 2,345 rupees only. How can I write down this? How can I work this formula? It's a very easy way. If you want to learn about all this formula, so continue with me till end. You need a basic form file is created for this. I unhide my file, whatever I created here, and unhide my file here, and you can see here a little bit manually entry 0 to 99 till value, and here we can write here in text format 0 to 99. Okay, you can prepare this data manually, and after that here we enter 1 rupees, 1 crore rupees, 1 lakh rupees, 1,100. How to write this? Now we can create some formula, basic formula. Here using of here float function. Float function, what is the float function work? Float function doing nearest lowest value. Float number means this number divide by this value 1 rupees, comma 1 and bracket close. We can log this firstly, because if you want drop down this, then formula will be drag here. That's we log this cell. And here you can see our 0 output. How it comes 0? Now you can go here and select this number and press F9. You can see 0.0002345. It means it's close nearest to 0. 1 means nearest to lowest value. So lowest value is 0. That's output is 0. Next, I press down is Control D, and I can press F2. And here, what I do? Minus this value, this value into this value, nothing else, and start bracket here, and close bracket here and start bracket here, and then press enter. Then here see 0. Again Control D, and I write down here this into this value. This into this value. You can see here Control D again and F2. Here again I press minus this value into this value. Again Control D and press here minus this value into this value. And you can see here 100, but I want to need one more here. What next? I can press Control D, and here you can see a division error. Why division error? Because here is no value. Okay, so then what I do? I can remove this one, all these, and press enter. You can see here 45. 45 means you can see here 2,345. 2,345. If I change here 45,000, you can see here 45 number is here. If you can change a 54 something number, you can say 54, 6, 7, 8, automatically divided here. That's a float function is very important here. What next? I can use here a VLOOKUP formula for this value of fetching from this value, what we prepared in beginning, comma 2, comma 0, and press Control D. Okay, now you can see here all output for 54,678 rupees only. Okay, now what we can do? Now what we use here formula, this is the important. here is the logical function of if conditions. You use a if my this cell equal to 0, then blank. Otherwise, my this cell ampersand space ampersand this cell and bracket close. Okay. Again, next ampersand space ampersand and if condition start. For new value, this value equal to 0, then blank. Otherwise, this cell ampersand space ampersand this cell and so on. Again, so on. Then we can after this formula and copy from till to till and paste here Control V paste till F8 F9. We can type here F9 I9 and H9. Again, paste this formula F10 I10 H10. Again, this paste formula F11 I11 and H11. And one more, again this paste formula F12 I12 and H12, and then enter. Now you can see here the everything fine, but we need a rupees only also here. I want what I do, I can use here a trim function. One more using for this. If I got unwanted space in any there, then we can use a trim here, and also here use rupees only and enter. Press panel. You can hear anything type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see 45,678 rupees only. Okay. If you want to delete this, you can see here a rupees only.